Guys, I have been living here at Calcutta last 4 years since 2021 and 2025 till today I am here. I came here to complete my graduation and after that I also here. When I was in my village I thought that after completing my graduation I will again back to my village, but after completing graduation I am also here. I am searching for a job. If I will go to my village then I can't take actually my preparation nicely, so that's why I thought I should stay here at Calcutta. So that's why I stopped here, and nowadays I'm preparing from Adda 247. Nowadays I stay alone here. I don't have any friend. In my room actually I stay alone. There is no one with me. So nowadays I'm preparing for SSC GD. This year I have exam at the end of this year, December, January, like this, 2025, 2026 vacancy will come and will be released, and after that I will give the exam there. So that's why I stopped here. Uh, uh, you know, After getting any job, I will go to my village. Otherwise, I will not go. This is my promise at me. And today, I'm here at our top floor. Uh, Outside, you can see how beautiful today after a long day. After a long day, today we are actually looking at the sun. Uh, Maybe last 15 days, more than 15 days, we actually couldn't see the sun. Today the sun is visible, totally visible. You can see he is giving us very much sunshine. This side there is sun, as you can see in the distance there is sun. I can't see to the sun because no one can see. Okay, so this is the thing, and last 4 years I'm here. One of my friend, this year he got CISF. My friend, my batchmate, he was also. So uh, last year I could not exam, could not give the exam, but this year I will give the exam. And uh, my friends, my friend, he has actually job as a CISF Jawan. So I also have a dream to become this year. This year I will also go to my friend actually. He is now at Rajasthan. He is actually doing his training there. So I also have a dream to go there, and obviously I will meet again to my friends. So there at Rajasthan training center. So yeah, this year I also have exam, and I got little bit tips from my friend. So maybe this year also I will qualify this exam, and I will also go. This is my dream actually, and that's why I'm preparing a lot. I am practicing mathematics, English, everything I'm practicing. And this exam is not very much difficult, but also not too much easy to clear. So have to study hard, and after that the exam will be clear. I know that this exam is not very much difficult. This is class 10th level exam. So medical time I can run, there is running, all these things. That time I don't know what will happen, but exam will be qualify. I can I have a confidence that I can qualify that exam. So I have seen some question paper about SSCGD. So there was the question is very much class 10th level exam. So English also very easy, narration, voice, and idiom phrases, that synonym, antonyms, all these things. Uh, I think that is not very much difficult for me actually. Everything is class 10th level, so have to study a little bit. After that, maybe my friend, he has got this job, so maybe we were same category. We were science student. I also, my friend also is there today. So maybe I also can clear. So I don't know, but the question level is not too much difficult. I just saw some question paper, last year question paper, guys. So this is the thing, guys. Overconfidence is not good. Okay, overconfidence never good actually. So but question level is, not difficult. Okay, so today I'm getting very much sunshine from the sun. So uh, I have to go to my room. I am feeling very, not good. So here, very much sunshine I'm getting. So I would like to go to my room. So this video, guys, I'm ending here. I'll be back again to my. I'll be back again to you in another new vlog video for you all. So that's all, guys, for today's video. Tada, bye bye.